Hi, so I'm Darius and I'm the production manager for the University of Cambridge COVID-19 screening program.
Hi, I'm Becca. I'm the logistics manager of the University of Cambridge COVID-19 screening program.
We use itemit in two main ways. One, keeping track of our warehouse, so the number of test kits in each of our stock rooms, and this helps us calculate our usage rate and better plan procurement in advance. Two, we use it to track the red boxes, which go out to colleges with test kits in, and then come back to be processed in the Anne McLaren building. Itemit was very easy for us to set up. We had a working inventory tracking and box tracking system set up in less than a week. Setting up the inventory tracking system was very simple. We just had to create and print off the tags for the item locations, set them up in itemit, and then we could start tracking right away. Tracking the boxes was harder to set up because they can be in around 50 different locations. This meant that we had to have a location tag set up in every location around the city, and have over 100 boxes all individually labelled and tags. Even so, it took less than a week to get that system working. Itemit has been the bedrock for us, as the system and its goals kept changing. We could rely on Itemit to adapt with us and keep tabs on any information that might have otherwise fallen through the cracks. It's clear that Itemit saved us a lot of money in terms of capital investment at the start of the project. Our inventory and asset tracking system required only purchasing 4 low-cost Android mobile phones to operate, and we haven't had to make any investments in the system since the start of the project. The tracking and transparency that Itemit provides over our system has been instrumental in the success of the testing program. It's allowed us to project forward our stocks and identify any inventory risks we might have. It's also saved us losing valuable boxes containing complete tests as they travel around our complex logistical system. The return on investment is around 10 times compared to a worst case scenario of losing boxes in inventory.
The Cambridge University asymptomatic testing program is unique in the world. No other university has set up a complete weekly PCR test-based system screening all of its students. The program is credited with keeping students and staff safe and has prevented potential COVID outbreaks and could have impacted local residents too. Copycat initiatives are now being rolled out in the other universities around the UK, with advice coming from the Cambridge team. We've been able to keep track of the red boxes that have been going to colleges, and this meant that we've been able to track them down when they've been getting lost, and we've also been able to keep track of the deliveries to colleges and making sure that it all goes smoothly.